Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Snapchat Geofilter not showing. For that, the first thing that you must do is enable precise location. First of all, make sure that the location settings on your device are turned on. After that, simply head over to your search, type in Snapchat, long press on Snapchat, tap on app info. From here you can tap on permissions, tap on location, and make sure that allow all the time is turned on and use precise location is also turned on. As you can head over to the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're inside the Snapchat app, scroll down to find additional settings and then hit manage. Here you must make sure that filters is toggled on. The other thing that you can try and do is force close the app. Head over to your notifications panel, tap on your power icon, restart your device. Also, you must make sure that you're connected to a strong internet connection, as Geofilters require strong connection. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.